District Dindori of Madhya Pradesh has a majority of tribal population. This tribe is known as Bega. This tribe practices traditional agriculture and depends on wild products for their livelihood. This tribe believes in orthodox rituals and traditions, and they practice crop rotation agriculture as their means of livelihood. During the season of Kharif crop, Bega tribe has been harvesting Dutch millet, little millet as their prime staple crop since ancient times. This crop is also ideal as per the geographical terrain and features of this region. But due to the constant reuse of the old and stored crop as seed, the production level of the crop started decreasing and the farmers stopped getting the valid price of the crop. Therefore, they stopped cultivating this crop. But in the year 2014, under the guidance of the Jaswini program, the Women Awareness Union of Mehendwani block of Dindori district observed this problem and decided to save this ancient crop of Dutch millet, little millet from getting extinct. This women union group started spreading the various advantages of crop, its nutritional and medicinal value among the Bega tribe peasants, besides providing them manure and fertilizer safety. This group then sent a proposal to Tejaswini, according to which the crop was the main source of income to the tribe.
सिर्फ हमारे यहाँ कोदो कुटकी सबसे अधिक होती है और मक्का। पहले क्या था कि हमारे यहाँ जो अनाज के भंडारण रहते उसी से बीज निकाले, दाना निकाले और उसी को बीज समझ के और उसी को बो देते रहे। बीज का कोई पता ही नहीं था, बीज भी उसी में, कचड़ा भी उसी में, तो उसमें कम फायदा है। इसलिए हमारे यहाँ जो घर के लोग थे वो कोदो कुटकी बोना बंद कर दिए थे। सभी दीदी ने तैयार हो गए कि हम लोग कोदो कुटकी की खेती करेंगे, क्योंकि ये विलुप्त प्रजाति थी, विलुप्त होती जाती रही। हम लोग ये निर्णय लिए कि ये लुप्त प्रजाति को हम फिर से खड़ा करेंगे और इसको हम ऐसा जगह ला के खड़ा करेंगे, उसको हम मार्केटिंग दिलाएंगे। पहले हम एक ही बोरा में, लेकिन जब हम लोग किए उन्नत तरीके से तो हमारे यहाँ 1.5 से 3 बोरा तक का मुनाफा हुआ।
Tejaswini Federation prepared a team of 1,500 well-trained lady farmers for the cultivation of Dutch millet, little millet crop. They were provided with new productive seeds. Specialists from Agricultural Science Center were deputed to guide them, and after educating them on the nutritional value of the crop, this crop was cultivated by means of advanced technology on 750 acres of their land. This way, through profit-sharing scheme, these women farmers gained around Rs 40 lakhs in profit. Today, around 7,000 farmers of Mehendwani block have joined Family Federation and are earning financial profit by making Dutch millet, little millet as their prime agricultural crop. Not only Mehendwani but the farmers of nearby Samnapura and Shahpura block are also coming regularly to the Federation for seeds and advice. In this way, by making the Dutch millet, little millet as the main source of income, the women farmers not only get fertilizer safety, but their family also gets little amount of nutrition in their daily food. Keeping this in mind, the Federation has started a program called 7 Days, 7 Houses. According to this program, women divide their land into 7 parts to sow 7 different vegetables to be consumed. This way, the family of these women get the 7 varieties of nutritional foods. The Federation has suggested the use of Tiranga tricolor plate, that is pulse rice and green vegetables. This plate decorated with green vegetable would contain immense nutritional value, which is extremely beneficial health-wise. This way, all the efforts of the women folk of the Bega tribe have turned into a boon, which is leading all these Tejaswini women towards the road to success, enabling them to write a new story on development.